Hello guys, so today my video about I just did one trekking, like just one day trekking and just to go and see waterfall, which is 14 kilometer coming and going down, which is 9 mile. And so it was very clean. There's nothing, no plastic. I think there's 1 2 water bottle. We saw like small bottle there. So one of our friend, he picked it up also to recycle. Everybody should do. So first I have to ride the local bus. Meet my friend in next town, and from there I ride bike, motorcycle with him. So, and we just park our motorcycle up in Old Manali. From there, and we walk. And so like shepherd, so in this Himalaya region, so shepherd, they come from down, like they walk every day, they walk, so they carry all the supplies and hundreds of sheep and goat. They go to the pasture like forest, they just spend the night there, put their cover and anything they have, and along the way they also build like a rock bed. And as you see this one, look at this is like completely look like a room structure. So they have mud in middle and rock in the side, so they can sleep on that also. And because especially when the rain comes, so they can keep themselves safe, so they put like tent and cover. I just found this just to walk. If you see here, this is shepherd route also. You can see all the sheep's manure everywhere.
which is so good. They stop here, along the way, and they go up and up higher. So nice, fresh air.
Was very pretty there. We just hang out there, and our friend he has a small camping stove, so he made some black coffee for us, and we just had coffee there and some snack. Along the way there's a vegetable called lingra. So this is the time right now you can get lots of lingra. This is a mountain vegetable. Actually my mom, she loved that actually also. So he picked so much along the way especially when we're coming back.
I'm struggling so much right now with my leg injury. We're going back, and my left knee hurts because I don't have support also, and I wasn't prepared for this hike. I didn't know what to expect actually, and it's pretty steep. Right now we're going down. You can see how steep is this. Okay, to go all the way down there. Yeah. So what to do? But I enjoy the waterfall, but no pain, no gain. Almost finishing our trek. That is Manali.
I hope you will enjoy this video